Hi guys, this is Abid. Art of Batik with Genting tool is not an easy task. Not only does it take time to learn, but it also requires a lot of practice. Flow in hand is matter a lot. It takes a lot of practice to do this, but after practice you will enjoy the flow of wax and delicate movements of hand with this amazing tool. As you know, batik is a wax resist art. We can apply wax on different surfaces and make the beautiful art pieces. I am sure you will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. Sprinkle the wax over the fabric with paintbrush. Take small quantity of wax. Wet the fabric with water and apply paint on the fabric. In this video I am using silk currently for batik. If you want to use any other silk you can use, process will be the same for every fabric. Let the fabric dry after painting. In this video I am using fabric drawing marker. The best part is ink will dissolve easily when you apply the water. Drawing is done now, it's time to apply the wax. Batik with genting tool is little tricky. You need to know where to start and where to end. When you complete your one motif, hold the genting tool and put the fabric piece on the nozzle of genting tool. Refill the genting tool when you feel wax is getting hard or ending. How to hold the genting tool in hand is very important. Balance of wax and genting tool is based on the position or angle of your hand. Flow is important during batik with genting tool. Try not to break the line during batiking. This will cause the color spread if there is any break in the outline. Batik pattern is ready now. I choose dark brown for my background. You can apply any other color as per your choice. After background, apply medium yellow in flowers. I am not adding any shading because I will make another batik layer when the color will dry. Apply the lines with Genting tool in flowers and leaves. After batiking, apply water in flowers and give the shading with red, maroon and black. Add light green in leaves and let the color dry. In second layer of batik, make veins of leaves and apply dark green with emerald green. All the flowers and leaves are done with shading. Let the color dry. When the colors dry out, remove the wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description and check the suggested videos link on the top right side of the video. Wax is removed now. Iron the batik piece 4 to 7 minutes. I used iron fixed silk paints in this video. If you are using silk dyes, iron the fabric according to the suggested video and follow the instructions given on the dyes label. I made the cushions and wall hanging frame from my batik piece of art. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, goodbye.